part of the teachers to let go all of this. What is have no significance to the lesson for the day or the week. Then it was such an enjoying trip, and we learned that Sawata people are very nice, very creative, and all the schools we've been to are all very good. Ma'am D, plus factor sila.
Hello mga dudong mga inday. Welcome to my channel, ang Dudes Torta. Karon sabay ta, uban ni kami, kauban ang Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Rebecca C, Sagot, CESO VI, ug ang our very own District Supervisor Dr. Redaniel and Mrs. Catherine Faith Abelita Corpus para sa National and Local Election Readiness Monitoring. Tara, sabay ta, magturta! Assistant Schools Division Superintendent.
Ngayon sa Sawata Central Elementary School, nakapanayam ko ang school head na medyo may kalaktihan na rin. Dapat low carbs na para naman mag-reduce for the good health si Sir Tope Gonzales. At napakaganda din naman pala ang nangyari sa mga bawat sulok ng paaralan, no?
Wow.
Sa Sawata Central Elementary School, maka-happy because I've been here several times. So this is the best scenery that I have seen from Sawata Central Elementary School. So, be great everyone and have a great day.
Yes, our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Rebecca C, Sagot, CESO VI. Yay! Thank you for coming, ma'am. Yes, our District Supervisor Dr. Redaniel, ma'am. Pag mag-serve sa election. Yay! Yay! Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, o dali na. Muad ko na mood mi sa pikas barangay. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's go. With ma'am.
Hi, we're all going to Montidohali Elementary School, and we will be seeing all the teachers. Not all the teachers, but the school head also in Montidohali. For another round, I'll be there.
Yay!
A few moments later.
Yay! Hello, Dohali Elementary School. Pwede maulam.
Nag-vlog diri. Sa face-to-face may naaro.
Actually, your PSTS shall be discussing with you very soon classroom structuring. Kasi there are just standards that we have to follow in the classroom. Minsan lang ang dapat makita sa classroom. So, if there are supervisors or monitors, for example, they should not look for something which is not in the standard. Although it would be very hurting on the part of the teachers to let go all of this. But is have no significance to the lesson for the day or the week, then they can be placed somewhere else. Siguro, na may extra room, you can place those in a room where you can arrange them, and all you have to bring are only the materials which are needed for classroom materials. So, sige na lang, nagdilig-bigani na siya dili na ito mga latebook, kaya nagkagunting-gunting. Pero mag-board, like, for example, this one, i-accept na yung siya gamiton. Diba? Ito na mga kamaturan.
Manipot ang tanang ni Pusuno.
Actually, galingan ni Manggod. Like say for example, okay lang naman pataratan no, kaya salida siya, class! What if makapuli o red class? Hindi na sila punta na sa may sama, sige na lang sila ganahan. Sige na lang. So, pag-ilog na sila sa labo ng mga teachers. Yan. So, moto, hinahinayan na lang yung una asa ang most significant and most relevant na ibigin sa class.
Kasi pag-eleksyon niya, di pa basa-basa.
Here, Kinahanglan niya, dili gid kalimtan sa classroom sa amin.
Yeah, nasa likod, Ma'am Kay,
Ang salamin.
Our Muslim and son there.
Ay,
Ah.
Yeah.
kapwa di raman ko, di ba?
Ang hawak dyan, ma'am.
That's how it always is.
Pwede mo nang liwin kong cellphone. Asa kong gibutang?
Bag.
Ay,
Cellphone.
nagpapatay ko, no?
Ma'am ka.
Hindi lang. Supply station.
Actually, dito. Ako nakita. Share na ako ha. Ang classroom nakita na ako sa US. Sa Canada, table dito sila. Marag. Learners will gather around the table. Pero dito sa table, na-share ka ng murag na ba? Nandito yung putin, nandito yung
Wow.
Marag yung box nasa center. So, anytime na student mo gamit,
Kunit.
Yung one corner na siya rack dito na ibang paper, na ng bata, na paper, na laminator, na printer,
Everything na.
O yan yan. Dahil blackboard din hala, cha. Pag pwede pa sa luto yung pilit. Wala sila ng mga pilit-pilit.
Okay.
Magamit nila po nila for instruction. Labi na kaya ilang mga teachers, they do not move, they only stay in the room.
Wow.
Like, nag-handle sila of several grades, like science. Kapag siya dito, nakakonsentrate, science 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow.
Na siya yung mga kuwan. Na siya ang all the corners of the room, wala siya gigamit nga display area. But those are used as learning areas for the learners. Pero, nagkain mo kung tama po, no? Kaya if you keep on putting just anything in the room na kadaghan, unya, wala na hinuuntay area para magamit. So, say for example, kani, kung blackboard niya, tangan ko siya dihan, paano magsulat siya? Class!
Learning corner ang
There was
butang.
even a school that we visited, ang iyang room, medyo sa pa, naging siya diha, ganang butang diha, nga. Parang siya landscape.
Oh, landscape, ma'am.
Wala, ma'am, ang sawa na niyo pagtulo, dili, ma'am, ano na siya. Ako, dili, good, ma'am. Inagsulat niyo mga mag-ana, dyan ka, ma'am.
Tanaguan.
Nalisdan. Kunya, ang bata, ang sawa na naman po pagsuwat-suwat sa So
Subway.
the more spacious the room, the better.
Yeah.
Dito tayo, dito lang nag-fit lang ang purpose. Because we are glad that classrooms created reading corners, reading centers. The only thing is they keep up the spaces in the room. And then, nakapabag siya kung sa mobility sa mga bata.
Ito na siguro ibutang.
Sir. Kasi kailangan naman siya is, dapat na siya basta relevant ba siya, significant ba siya for the lesson of the day or the week, then place it there. Tumara, kung namin mga isa siguro, part of the structure is siguro, ito ang nila sa harmony.
This is where they mow eagles. Wow. Classroom ang nana siya.
Actually, kaya mga band paper.
Sini all. Oh,
things from the school at home. They do not give assignments. Dahil mga lockers, they do not give academic assignments na buhaton sa mga bata sa balay. Kasi they want the children to play with them and then make their coming to school only for academic purposes. And then, kung tagalo na to ang ilahang pagbula, like itanggal ko na to ang ilahang pagkabata. Pero karon kay pandemic man, ani na lang, no? Very activities yung children enjoy. Never let them answer those shoes. Okay. Ang mahitabuan na first day of school, na sila tanan. Hindi pagdaali ko, kaya nag-istorya, may ako mo June noon. Pagkasunod adlaw na, waan ng duha, sunod adlaw, sunod adlaw, isa na lang yun ang nabili.
Kay Mujo.
Muna lang pinabilin. Wala yung ano ba? Kasi muna lang para they will love the school, going back or coming back to school, make the lessons more, make them more active. Ano? Although wala na itong galaw kayo dito na tapos juga, pero let them be mobile, they can move, they can manipulate something, and not answering the motions. Ang inapag-answer sa motions should be done at home because they're given the schedule naman na 1 week, they have to work on the motions, and then reinforce ang pag-answer nila sa modules by the activities that teachers provide for the learners where they are in school. Social distancing po. Distance man. Kung sa group, bang dagdagungan, hindi na pwede magpadaghan. Kaya para even if they will be interacting with each other, like say for example, group 1, 2, 3, 4, you're 1 group here. O sige, nagtatapchi! Sige, nalitik na! O sige, lagi rin hapon. But pwede ka maka-group by 2, group by 4, group by ang setup nila, mga kumusta mo po yung mga classroom sa mga high school? May high school direct, no?
Hi.
Pintas, ma'am.
Holding area.
Artista?
Pero i-move pa na.
Kaya ka motor lang ka. Sa yung mga classrooms mo ni Ate ko na ang set up. Pictures where I do not look good.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Tiltiroy dyan.
Katong mga nice lang. Nindot.
I-filter
And
dito,
thank
ma'am.
you for checking on the rooms. Wala ko muna work from home. Kasi all teachers shall be working from home ang good day po to. Pero ang mga gusto nga teachers working from home are allowed to work from home. However, the second paragraph, they shall also do the election related activities. For those who will not be serving, they work from home and do the classroom, the school task. However, in the exigency of the service, they must need to make that their rooms are prepared. And may na po din din, congratulations, Principal, for having the rooms all clean and arranged. Sir, kung dilugmok sa dughano, ikaw pa dito yung nagdayo ka, kabarin ka, kabutsyek ka niya. Uy, ginugong mo, kanakan balay nagtais nga ding. Yung tani sa lalaki na umatang tag-sir ka na at tag. But as a matter sa mga ko, ilang tutok na ako ang tikusin. So, keep safe everyone.
Yes.
Anak ko diri siya na. Katong una tong panahon tong kuan-kuan niya. Ma'am, badala ko ba?
Ay, baka na
Oh, natumbay ko dito nga. Kita mo ba?
Kasi ang marang yan doon sa time na Jesus, ana na sa bato naguna na akong marang ay naguna pagabot sa ubos kuya bato naligid ito very nice siya kaayo ng
Winta mo ni siya, dali ra kayo mga buwan.
Wow.
ako tayo fascinated yung kong tanong fascinated yung tanong
Okay, next stop is Dato Balong National High School. Okay.
The Pearl of the Orient is Brabag Philippines. The Pearl of the Orient is... Kung sa pa yung gusto mo itawag sa new school, that will speak about the school, about the culture, about the best that you can offer here.
Tabangan na ko. Di ba na ako?
You can,
Like-
you can
Like video we find ways.
Wow.
you find it. You're in good hands. Pero ba, dili pa sa dato ba, you can make one, something like that, and this. Murag kung sa inyo pa, hashtag.
Wow.
Magkapi ka, ma'am.
Sa Sambayon Cave, lahi na po to. Lahi na po to dili.
Asa gani ang sambayon, ma'am?
Kapalong na to, ma'am. Kapalong.
Dili pa tong ukbot, ma'am, tong ukbot. Una na sa akong vlog, ma'am, ukbot. Nindot. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Hello guys! After a long travel along the long and winding road, finally we arrived back to Sawata Central Elementary School. And of course the trip is even more amazing, more enjoyable, and more meaningful because I have with me my beautiful buddies. We have PSDS Anna Redaniel. School head Faith Carpos.
Carpos.
And of course, we also have with us Mr. Jesse Lamsey.
Yay!
And we're really very thankful for the trip, and we're very grateful to God
Wow.
for bringing us back to Sawata Central safe and sound. And it was such an enjoying trip, and we learned that Sawata people are very nice, very creative,
Wow.
and all the schools we've been to are all very good. Ma'am D, sila. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jessie, Sarah,
Yes, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
and Ma'am Kay.
Yes.
Also, salamat kayo for being with us in our school monitoring.
Og labaw sa tanan, salamat po sa mga Pamulak Festival.
Yes,
o sa
thank
mga
you.
Sikwate Festival.
Yes.
O sa mga bingka dito. Balag ng local. Kita tas bingka o maruya.
Yes.
Thank you,
Thank
school
you.
heads, for preparing, and mga teachers present.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, dagan salamat sa inyong pagtanaw. Humanag yun ang amo ang pagtour, pagmonitor sa readiness sa atong national and local election. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.